Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Wow, what a day for Bitcoin. Hitting a monumental $93,000. This latest rally has been one for the books. We're not only seeing Bitcoin continuously setting all-time highs, but we're witnessing a market that's breaking boundaries and creating new records, seemingly every day. First, a massive congratulations are in order, as Bitcoin now officially surpasses silver in market cap. This isn't just a milestone, it's a signal. Bitcoin is now firmly rooted among the world's most valuable assets, a fact that's hard to ignore for investors, governments, and institutions alike. Big news on the institutional front too. MicroStrategy has just added another 27,200 Bitcoin to its holdings, putting in a $2 billion buy at current prices. This isn't just a bet, it's a statement. And BlackRock? Well, they're not far behind. Over the past week alone, we saw eye-watering inflows of over $700 million per day on average, with $762 million flowing in just yesterday. This institutional interest is a tidal wave, and it's still gathering momentum. Now, for the first time in history, a single Bitcoin is worth more than the annual household income in the United States. Wrap your head around that. This price level isn't just a number, it's a paradigm shift. It's the kind of moment that redefines what's possible for digital assets and, frankly, for personal finance on a global scale. As we look to El Salvador, their Bitcoin holdings have now soared to over $500 million, showing they're doubling down on their faith in this asset. Senator Cynthia Lummis has given us another hint at what's to come in the political landscape. She's optimistic we could see the strategic Bitcoin reserve bill passed within the first 100 days of Trump's upcoming term. For those unfamiliar, this bill could place Bitcoin firmly as a key part of America's financial backbone, a possibility with massive implications for adoption and policy. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's Tesla has crossed the $1 billion mark in Bitcoin holdings, showing us that some of the largest names in tech are still more than committed to this asset. Not to be outdone, Coinbase is riding the wave of crypto enthusiasm, climbing up to the 21st spot on the App Store's popularity list. Clearly, the world's watching, and retail is surging. On the trading front, my own strategy gave another signal today. An entry at $86,717 in the morning, followed by an exit around $88,752 just hours later. And as always, safety first in a bull market, which is why my exits are on the conservative side. Had I held, I could have seen gains push into 93,000 territory. But the beauty of a bull run is that we often see fresh highs even if we missed one opportunity. Rumors are swirling about more nation-state buying, which only adds fuel to the fire. I know many of you have asked about access to my trading strategy, and while I'm keeping it private for now, I do share snapshots and insights in the Discord. It's a supportive space where I break down entries and exits and share the wins with all of you. And if you're interested in diving deeper, join us there. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. It's an incredible time in this Web3 space. Let's keep winning together, and see you in the next one.